Good afternoon, first graders, and welcome back to Mr. Saldana's physical education class. Glad to have you with us. So today, we're going to be going over jumping and landing, which most of you guys are doing on your way in here. So we should be perfect. The teacher objective today is to teach the students to successfully jump and land with either foot independently, and land with each foot independently, as well as jumping and landing with both feet. So either jumping and landing with one foot, or jumping and landing with 2 feet. The student objectives, which are 4 of them, are going to be a little sequence of events that are going to guide us through this lesson today. The first thing you guys are going to learn is the students will be able to successfully perform a double jump and land, so jump with both feet and land with both feet 5 times in a row in the correct order. The second objective for the students is to be able to jump off of one foot and land with both feet, with both the left foot and the right foot. So you would jump with the right foot 5 times and land with both feet, and then you jump with the left foot and land with both feet 5 times. The third student objective is to be able to successfully perform a jump with either foot and then land with that same foot. So if you jump with the left foot, to land with your left foot, which we'll call that a hop. So you're going to hop with your left and land with your left. Or you're going to jump with your right or land with your right. Where we're going to do that also 5 times in a row. And the last activity that we're going to do is what we're going to call a leap. The students will be able to successfully perform a leap by jumping off with the left foot and landing with the right foot, and jumping with the right and landing with the left 10 times in a row without stopping. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin our lesson. So everyone stand up, spread out where you can see me. And the first one, we're going to have a little demonstration of what an actual jump looks like, a double jump looks like. So the first cue is, before I begin, your stop and go signals are, stop means freeze, freeze what you're doing, and look at me, and your go signal is simply go or begin. Okay? Alright. So the first thing you want to do is everyone spread out. You want to get your feet shoulder width apart. You want to bend those knees, and you want to extend those arms out behind your back and looking more like a Superman pose. And that's what we'll call this pose right here, the Superman pose. So you want to see a side angle, feet are shoulder width apart, bent knees, arms extended back. That's the Superman pose. Good. Alright, that's how we're going to start off our jumps, the Superman pose. Then, when we actually jump, we're not going to jump right now, we're just going to extend up, throw our hands in the air, get up on our tippy toes, simulating our jump. Man, that's going to be our second cue, is when our body's in the air, our hands are in the air. And when we come back down, our third pose is we're going to land with a bent knee, bring the arms, go ahead, back out behind you, and back in the Superman pose. Right back where we started. Okay, so we're going to do that order, Superman pose, arms in the air, Superman pose, making sure that we get on our tippy toes, we do our arms in the air, hold each pose for about a good 1.5 seconds, and do that 5 times each. So it should look like this, Superman, arms in the air, Superman, arms in the air, Superman, and go. Nice job, everybody. Make sure you get on your tippy toes, hands all the way up. Good. Couple more times. Nice job. All the way up on the tippy toes. And good. Go ahead and stop. Freeze. Go ahead and look at me. All right. Now that we do that, we're going to see how high we can jump. So before you guys jump, I want you guys to look at me and see how we do this. You're going to have those same cues, feet shoulder width apart, bend knee, arms behind your head, and jump up and come down. Jump up and come down. Remember, arms in the air, bodies in the air. Arms in the air, bodies in the air, land with a bent knee. Notice I'm landing in the same spot every time. Okay, 5 times each. Ready, go. Good jumps, everybody. Nice job. Good explosion. Excellent. Remember, land with that bend knee. Good job. And stop. Good job, everybody. If you're out of breath, put your hands on top of your head, catch your breath. If you're not, continue breathe normally. Okay, good job. So next what we're going to do is we're going to do a little activity and see how far we can jump with this. So everyone's going to come to the wall right here. And instead of jumping in space, we're now trying to cover distance. So we're going to do the same thing. Same cue, shoulder width apart. Arms behind our back. Superman pose. And jump forward. Superman pose. And jump forward. And we're going to jump all the way to the wall. We're going to do 4 laps, so jumping to the wall and back. I want to see if you guys can minimize or make the jumps less for each time you go to the wall. Okay? The less amount of jumps every lap down towards the wall. Ready and go. Nice job, everybody. Good job. Superman, hands in the air. Superman. Good job covering distance. Excellent job. Okay, everyone freeze. Get somewhere you can see me. Nice job. All right. Next part of our activities today calls for us to get a line. Okay, I have a broom right here. You guys can use the lines on the ground. Now what we're going to do is we're going to focus on jumping over this line with 1 foot, but landing with both feet. Now since we're jumping with only 1 foot, make sure we're not really trying to cover a lot of ground. We're not jumping very far. We're just making sure we're finding a spot on the ground right in front of us, landing with a bent knee, and hitting that spot every time. Make sure after you do 5 jumps with your left or your right, your dominant foot, you come over to your non-dominant foot, and you do the same thing. Jump over and land with both. Jump over and land with both. Okay? Continue on. Hit your finish early. Come back to the left side and do it again. Nice job, everyone. Keep it up. And go ahead and stop. Let's put our ropes away. Good. Okay. So our next activity that we're going to do is, that's right, it's the hop. So you're going to pick either your left or your right, so if you're most dominant, I'm left-handed or also on my left, and you're going to jump with that foot and land with that foot, making sure that you keep your arms close to your body so you have a nice stable center of balance. Your body's not flopping all over the place. And then you're going to do little jumps and also land with the bent knee. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once you're done with 5, hop on over to your non-dominant foot, bend knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And continue on until I say stop. Ready and begin. Nice job, everybody. Good job. Find a spot on the ground so you're not jumping everywhere. Good. Keep your hands to yourself. Right on. And stop. Nice job. We've got a bunch of good hoppers here. And our last activity for the day, everyone freeze and get towards me where you can see. Good. Our last activity for the day is going to be leaping. So a leap is you're going to jump from 1 foot, your left foot, and then land on the right foot. If you jump to your right, you're going to jump with your left. And you got to make sure you're switching feet in mid-air. So I'm picking 1 foot up and putting the other foot down. Right foot up, left foot down. Left foot up, right foot down. And you want to make sure you're leaping 10 times in a row. You can go as slow or as fast as you want on these. Ready and begin. Good. Left and then right, right and then left. Start slow. Once you get the hang of it, go ahead and speed on up. Do 10 in a row. Take a quick break. And then start all over again. Good job, everybody. Go ahead and stop. Excellent. All right. Everyone bring it in. We're going to close out today with some questions. All right. First question I have for you guys is, what do you think was the most powerful jump we did today? That's right. The double jump. The jump with 2 feet, right? Because you're really loading up. You're using all those muscles in your legs, and you're jumping as high as you possibly can or as far as you possibly can. It's not a lot of jumps, but there's a lot of power within that jump. Good answer. What was our fastest jump of the day? Good. Either the hop, right? Because it's not jumping very high or very far, but it's a quick one, or the leap where you can go back and forth. right? And there's a debate on which one's faster. And last but not least, where can you use these? That's right, on the way to Ms. Saldana's class, on your way to your next class, but not in class. That's right. At team sports, at recess, at the house, hey, even going up the stairs. So jumping and landing is essential in daily activities. And now that we have a basis for this, we will continue on with skipping and galloping starting next week. So everyone have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time.